Welcome to the instructional video for the new Centurion Weekly LVAD Maintenance Kit. This is the new LVAD driveline dressing kit that you will be receiving. If you've been using another kit, you'll be able to see the changes that were made. First, let's take the kit out of the bag. This way we can evaluate what's there. First, we have a sterile kit. We can set this aside for now. Then we have a pair of gloves, a sanitizer wipe, and 2 packs of hand sanitizer. We'll also want to have a box of gloves that fit. Let's clean our hands and put on a pair of gloves from our box. Then we can clean our table. You should use gloves with this cleanser. Now we can throw away these gloves and open our sterile section. Inside, we have an adhesive remover, alcohol wipes, 2 masks, sterile gloves, hair nets, and our inner package with a drape. Let's put on masks. If your hair is long or loose, it's a good idea to put on the hairnet as well. Now we're ready to remove our dressing. Let's clean our hands again, and then put on the gloves that are outside the sterile section. Now remove the driveline dressing. It's okay to remove the old anchor now, if it's time to replace it. Next, it's time to open our sterile drape. The top flap should face towards you on the table. Carefully open the kit. Inside the kit, we have 2 chlorhexidine swabs, a saline wipe, silver dressing, and our driveline dressing. Our anchor packaging is now inside the sterile portion. Now we can clean our hands and put on the sterile gloves. Open the silver patch and activate it with a few drops of saline from the wipe. Then, carefully wrap the wipe around your fingers and remove any crust or drainage from the driveline site. Next, we'll use our chlorhexidine swabs. Crack the first one and wipe from the inside out in a circular motion without lifting it off the skin. Be sure to press firmly. Now we can crack the second one and clean the driveline from the inside out again. Try to get under the driveline a little as you go around. Let's wait for 90 seconds while the solution dries. It kills bacteria as it dries, so this is an important step. We can now place the silver patch with the silver side down towards the skin. We're ready to apply the dressing. Place it over to the driveline, being careful not to crease it. Then we can put on the pants of the dressing. Now let's get our anchor. Inside the package, we have an anchor, alcohol swab, and our skin prep. Finally, we can place the anchor. There is skin prep in the package if you want to use it. The anchors use a gummy adhesive that's very gentle on the skin, but it may stick to your gloves. If it's easier, you can take them off for this part. It's a good idea to attach the line before it's on the skin so you can build in a bit of slack to help prevent tugs or pulls on the driveline. It can be a little tricky to remove the backing paper, so be patient and try to get the anchor as flat as possible. The dressing change is now complete. Thank you for learning about the new weekly LVAD driveline dressing change kit. If you have any questions, please reach out to the VAD team during normal business hours. Have a great day.